Good morning. Today I will be discussing the concept of Dharma in Sikhism, particularly its relevance in contemporary debates and ethical frameworks. To begin with, Dharma in Sikhism is quite distinct from its classical understanding in other Indian traditions, where it is often associated with duty, law, or social order. In Sikhism, Dharma is not a rigid or perspective code. Instead, it is rooted in Gurmat or the teaching of the Gurus and emphasizes ethical living, truth, and social responsibility. It is essentially a lived experience rather than an abstract doctrine. Moving to its scriptural foundations, Sikh Dharma is primarily derived from the Guru Granth Sahib, which serves as the eternal Guru. Two key concepts are Hukam, meaning divine order, and Sat, meaning truth. Living according to Dharma means aligning one's life with Hukam and embodying truth in everyday actions. This makes Sikh Dharma deeply experiential and inwardly guided rather than externally imposed. Now, looking at the core ethical principles, Sikhism outlines three fundamental practices: Nam Japna, which is remembrance of God; Kirat Karni, meaning honest livelihood; Vand Chakna, which refers to sharing with others. A powerful institutional example of this is the Langar system, where free meals are served to all regardless of caste, class, or religion. This is not just charity, it is dharma in action, promoting equality and collective well being. Speaking of equality, Sikh Dharma strongly challenges social hierarchies, particularly caste and gender discrimination. The teachings of the Gurus explicitly affirm the dignity of women and reject caste based exclusion. This has strong contemporary relevance, especially in ongoing struggles for social justice and equality, both in Indian diaspora communities. Another important dimension is the concept of Miri Piri, introduced by Guru Har Gobind. This doctrine represents the integration of spiritual authority and temporal responsibility. It suggests that a truly ethical life requires engagement with the world, including standing against injustice. Historically, this was rejected in Sikh resistance to oppression, and today it resonates in Sikh participation in human rights movement and political activism. In everyday life, dharma manifests through seva or selfless service, whether it is disaster relief, feeding the hungry during COVID 19, or community support. Sikh across the world actively practice dharma through service. This shows that dharma is not confined to religious spaces but extends into practical social ethics. At the same time, Sikhism offers a strong critique of ritualism. Guru Nanak rejected empty rituals and emphasized inner devotion and ethical conduct over outward display of religiosity. This critique is highly relevant today, especially in debates around performative religion versus authentic ethical living. Further, Sikh Dharma promotes pluralism, universal welfare, encapsulated in the idea of Sarbat da Bhala, meaning the well being of all. This principle encourages interfaith harmony and global ethics, making Sikh thought particularly relevant in our increasingly diverse and interconnected world. Finally, in terms of contemporary debates, Sikh Dharma engages with issues such as identity politics, diaspora experiences, and environmental ethics. For instance, movements like Eco Sikh draw upon religious teachings to promote sustainability and ecological responsibility. To conclude, Dharma in Sikhism is a dynamic and action oriented ethical framework. It successfully bridges spirituality and social engagement, offering meaningful insight into justice, equality, and global coexistence. In today's world, where ethical challenges are increasingly complex, Sikh Dharma provides a deeply relevant and practical guide for responsible living. Thank you.